I have the #1 tip for 2019. You're not going to believe it. It's going to change your year. Hey, Tim Sykes here, and it is the new year. Happy New Year. Cue the New Year's music and the digital balloons. Woo! I don't know what this was. I'm blowing like an imaginary horn too. I don't know if we can put CGI in there, make it look bad. Who the fuck cares? It's 2019. A lot of you guys asking me, what is the best stock for this year? I don't want to study. I don't want to think about anything. Just give me one stock to put all my money in, all my friends, family's money in, everyone I know, put all the money into one stock for 2019. Can you do that, Tim Sykes? No, fuck off, okay? It's not about any one play. First of all, you shouldn't care what I or anybody else thinks about any play. You need to be self-sufficient. All my top millionaire students, yes, they've made 7 figures. Almost all of my top 6-figure students, yes, they've made 6 figures. But more importantly, above that, because most of them start with just a few $1,000s, they become self-sufficient, okay? They have learned to act on their own. They don't care what I think. They don't care what anybody else thinks because they have learned the process. So the #1 thing to invest in 2019 is yourself, is your knowledge, is your preparation. I'm sorry, I know that's a boring answer, but it's real. If you truly want to be wealthy, if you truly want to be rich over time, you're going to have to invest in your education now. The sooner the better. If you're under 18, get parental permission. That's my only rule. If you're over 18, study my motherfucking video lessons. Study my motherfucking DVDs. And if you're a Trading Challenge student, study the motherfucking archive webinars. Click the link just below this video to apply for my Trading Challenge. This is where all my top students are coming from because they have the most content. They have the most access, not just to me, but also my top students who help me mentor other people. Use stocks to trade, okay? I'm going to post a link just below this video to this software too. You have 2 things to do. Apply for my Trading Challenge and use stocks to trade. If you're already in my Trading Challenge, congratulations, you're already on the right track. But just being in the challenge isn't enough. You actually have to put in time and effort. So dedicate your brain, dedicate yourself, plan your scheduling to give you more time to studying. There's always going to be another hot stock. There's always going to be another hot sector. I know that recently we've had marijuana stocks, CBD stocks, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blockchain, Ebola, police equipment, biotech, technology, internet plays, low float names, shipping company. I mean, there's so many hot sectors. In just the past few years, there will be another hot sector. What is it? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what the next hot sector is. What's the next hot stock? I don't give a fuck because I don't want to bias myself. I don't want to bias you with some bullshit guesswork. That's what CNBC does. This is why their ratings are at multi-decade lows because their people don't make money. Do you know why my subscription business is booming? Because my students do better, because I teach something that's real. Part of the reason why I don't go on CNBC is because it's not about stock picks. It's not about what stocks you buy, or sell. You can do all the research in the world. You can come up with all the conclusions and do all the analyst checks, and it's still going to be shit. Most people on Wall Street don't make money. Okay? Most traders lose money. Most people who teach on the internet are full of crap. I'm going to be real with you. So when you ask me what is my top pick for 2019, it's knowledge. And what is my top pick for 2020? Knowledge. What is my top pick for 2021? Knowledge. Knowledge never goes out of fashion, but it does mean changing. It does mean adapting to whatever is hot. How do you adapt to whatever is hot? How do you actually recognize what is the hottest stock? What is the hottest trend? It's hidden in the past. You have to study the past. I'm basically a glorified history teacher. I'll teach you about every hot sector, how it bubbled up, how I profited. Sometimes I nailed it, sometimes I missed it, sometimes I went too aggressive, sometimes I went too small. None of this is a perfect science. But by studying the past, you can be better prepared for the future. How can you be best prepared for 2019? Study 2018, study 2017, study 2016. And the good news is I have more more content than anybody. Video lessons, DVDs, webinars, not just for me, but my top students too. Many of who started with just a few $1,000s, now they have 6 or 7 figures because they listened to me. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, listen to me. Leave a comment underneath saying, I don't give a fuck, and be open to studying. Cheers, let's make this a great year. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.